Some SL or zoom lenses can also use automatic follow focus. First, check whether the lens has a depth of field limiter, depth of field ruler frame, or depth of field scale. Correctly install the motor and adjust the lidar position to be close to the lens axis. Power on. After the lens channel light comes on, start manual calibration. First, turn the focus ring to the mark of the closest focusing distance of the lens. Pause for a second. Continue to turn the focus ring to the lens infinity mark. Pause for a second. Move it slightly back to the middle and manual calibration is completed. It is recommended to use the controller dial first to check whether the lens travel is complete. Note: before starting calibration, check whether the lens aperture has been adjusted to the maximum, whether the lens is set to manual mode, and whether the controller dial is turned off. Start calibration. The steps are the same as manual lens operation. Click once and then press and hold for 3 seconds to enter the calibration state. Check whether the focus ring can rotate. If it can rotate, it means it has successfully entered the calibration state. The introduction of focus cards and venue selection will not be repeated here. If you are interested, you can watch the video on the autofocus calibration tutorial. Move the focus ring to the ruler position of the closest focusing distance. Align the focus card and move the machine closer to the focus card until the image is in focus. Note that the lens and focus card must be at the same level during the process. When the first point calibration is completed, the motor will sound a sound prompt. Go back about 0.6 meters, about one step from the first point. Focus again until the focus card is clear. Click the motor button, wait for the indicator light to finish flashing, and the motor to complete the second point of calibration. Continue to step back about 1.5 meters, about 2 steps, from the second point. Adjust the focus until the focus card is clear. Note that when calibrating the third point, the camera should not be farther away from the focus card than 3 meters. Finally, click the motor again, wait for the indicator light to finish flashing, and the motor to sound a prompt. Check the accuracy of autofocus and whether the distance and near focus are accurate. If the focus is not accurate, follow the steps above to calibrate again.